Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Before the housing can be lifted, slide the tabs out of their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF7984 filter into the housing. Then reverse the steps to complete the installation. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.